Goon Squad. We out here at the arena cross track, Monster Mountain, 2K19, living it up. Alright guys, so this is what happens when you don't ride in like 2 months. And you hold on for the death of your life. Death grip, baby. We out here making our way back to the pits. Gonna suit up and go do some laps on the big track. You guys think I can vlog and bike? The boys are done at the arena cross track now. Gonna head back to pits and get suited up. But first we're gonna attempt to vlog while biking. Wish me luck. Set sail on the beach. Oh my god, got some speed wobbles going. My camera doesn't have a flip screen, so it's kind of hard to vlog, but whatever. This bike has pedal back brakes, so it's kind of sketchy. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Whew. Almost lost the back end. Gonna get suited up. Go do some laps. See boys on the track. Day of Monster Mountain Motocross. Just getting some clips of T, Smitty, railing this sand berm. Track's a little dry, they didn't really touch it since yesterday, but you know, we're still shredding our dirt bikes. Getting our last bit of motos in here at Monster on the GP track. Gonna get some clips of T.Y. Smitty. Has been an unreal weekend, guys. Look at those ruts. So after this set of motos, we're gonna pack all our stuff up, head 3 hours to Durhamtown, where we will meet up with the boy Goonzig. like I said, just finishing up our last day at Monster Mountain. Ty, what's your overall thoughts?
Many here, just letting the goonsquad know Monster Mountain's the place to be.
The place to be. You're here to hear first, folks. Look at Graham hit this rut. Yeah, Graham! That 450 got him through it. We'll check back in with you guys when we're done loading up. Peace.
Okay, let's go back. If I can get out of here, I am. Like, no, I think he's looking out to get out of here too. Yeah. It's gonna be like this the whole way. Yeah. I can't even open my hands. Remember last year? Yeah. I can't like. Let's go back. I'm not doing this. Look, he's stopped. We're all stopped.
Get out of here. I'm not into this either. No.
If it was dry, yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Oh. I was trying to balance. What? I was like trying to balance and I was like, oh, I'm gonna fall into one of them. Me too. Oh, look at that line.
Gotta go back.
So when we came out on this trail, if we would have turned right, we would have been headed back over to where we crossed the road.
It looks like they've dozed that.
Yeah. Oh well.
it came from that way.
Let's go and get right on that road.
I'm saying, like that one?
Hit that two-way trail until it opens up again.
Yeah.
Or like what's around here? Oh, does that say lodge? Okay guys, that's it for the day at Durhamtown. We hit a ton of tracks, a ton of muddy trails. It was definitely a good adventure. Take a look at just how muddy the bike is, man. Holy. So pretty much the plan is get the bikes washed up, shower. I think Keith's gonna show up tonight. Keith, T. Smitty, Cam, Graham, and Kevin. I think the boys are gonna reach, and it should be a good night. So make sure to smash that thumbs up button if you guys did enjoy. Hit that subscribe button for more vlogs, guys. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Making a pit stop here at Hardy's, Munchin. Kev's across the street, getting gas.
So guys, it is currently 6:16. Focus, will that focus? And it's getting, I mean, it's still bright out. It's gonna get dark very, very quick. But it's getting chilly, man. It is getting so chilly. And I'm not feeling the greatest. My brother was sick at the beginning of the trip. I'm kind of getting sick now. I think my dad's getting sick, so thumbs down for that. But I honestly think I'm gonna make this my bed for the night and just hit the hay before 7 o'clock, man. That's crazy. So we'll see what happens. Take meds, get to bed, get a lot of sleep, stay hydrated. Fingers crossed we won't get sick, but my throat's scratchy and I don't know, I just feel like poop, exhausted. I mean, we rode all day, but I am poop. Keith is on his way, so right now it's me, my dad, my brother, and 6 other guys, I think. And Keith, Tyler Smith, Cam, Graham, and Kevin are all on their way. We have a squad. They're heading out from Monster Mountain right now. They're coming down to Durhamtown. And guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna go to bed. I just feel like poop. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Peace out.